what is up, guys? We're currently up and getting ready to go to do the Bolaven Plateau loop. It's like a loop from Plateau, where we're at now. We're going from Plateau to Plateau. That will be our first checkpoint, and from Plateau to Plateau, that will be our second checkpoint, and from Plateau back to Plateau again, back here again, and we're just like packing, final minute packing already. Yeah, we've got our bikes and everything. Everything's good. So let's go. Second waterfall we've arrived at, and we're on top of it, and it's super cool. Take a look, guys.
Visiting 3 waterfalls, we decided to call it a day.
I slept here yesterday. It was comfy.
We slept at a homestay at Tudlow village called Mama Pop's. The next day, got up, got ready, but went in any rush at all. Said goodbye and thanks to Mama Pop, and we were off. We just wanted to reach Plateau and find ourselves a place to sleep.
There were 2 rooms and 1 tent. Me and Adam decided to sleep in the tent here.
It's so freezing, man.
Yeah, he just took a dip in the river. We woke up to this view. It's amazing. We fell asleep with the sounds of the waterfall. It's really amazing, man. Yeah, just take a look at this, man. How we're gonna ride in this state. Yeah, Nick just went down there, man. You went down there. Yeah. Fucking unbelievable, man. What was your thoughts?
Okay, it was so beautiful. Like, you guys should come here and see it by yourself. But then, hey, why don't you look and vlog for me? Okay, appreciate it.
Thanks, man. Yeah, I haven't been there yet. I haven't been down there yet. I'm gonna go. It's getting rainy here. Come on, let's go. We're currently chasing sunset, which is happening at this moment at the golden Buddha statue. It's really beautiful because it's overlooking the Mekong River. It's right behind me. There's the sunset, and there's like 400 something stairs to go up and down, and we're like halfway there.